All right, ladies, this is labeling measure numbers and highlighting for holiday hand jive. At the beginning, we've got our piano part, and we're just going to label these measures 1, 2, 3, and 4. It does have a repeat sign right there, so be aware of that. It's going to have a little bit of a longer intro. But our measure numbers, we don't repeat them. We just keep on going. There are these little helper markers of measures to help you along in labeling. And remember, whenever we see this big bold bracket right here, that's telling us our vocal parts. It does say 1 and 2, but we can relabel those as alto or soprano and alto. And what's really nice is it actually labels it the whole time for you as part 1 and 2. So 1 is soprano, 2 is going to be alto. I want you to number all your measures first. Make sure that you can see them very clearly. I like to put mine at the top of each measure, the start of each one. And remember, those little guides are there to help you. I want you to also circle the page numbers in the top corners, just so you can see that a little better. I'm going to use different colored highlighters to kind of label the soprano and alto parts. So soprano is always going to be on the top, and you just highlight the words of your part all the way through the song. You are the top vocal line. Not to say that you're more important than the altos. The altos are still important. And altos, you are on the bottom. I'm going to label it with a different color. You use whatever color you want. I suggest using a light color like yellow or orange or pink. Because if you use anything darker, it might make the words disappear a little too much. Okay? I have to keep this video short, so it'll upload to Schoology. But you need to number your measures like so. Nice and bold, nice and big for you to see. Use those little guides that are already printed. So you've got like measure 19 right here. Circle your page numbers. You can label part 1 as S and part 2 as alto, A for alto. And then make sure you highlight your own vocal part. If you are a soprano, you do not have to highlight the alto part. You can just highlight yours. Do all that for a holiday hand jive.